Hi friends, welcome to the Department of Computer Science YouTube channel. My name is B Prasad. Today I am going to telling about matrix chain multiplication method. First of all, what is matrix multiplication? Matrix multiplication is a binary operation that produces a matrix from two matrices. The number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Here consider two matrices A and B. Let A having values A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. B having values A3, B3, C3 and A4, B4, C4. Then the product of these two matrices is first element in the first matrix is multiplied with the first element in the second matrix. Here A1 and A3. So similarly these are also. Here numbering these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These having 12 multiplications. Then now we consider three matrices A1, A2, A3 with order 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 2. These three matrices having two methods. First we multiply A1 and A2 matrices and the result matrix with A3 matrix. Another way is we multiply A2 and A3 matrix and the result matrix with A1. So which is easiest way to find the result? We have to find. Here A1 and A2 having 2, 3 and 3, 4 order. So the result of this matrix, the total having multiplication is 24. A3 having the single matrix, so this containing 0 multiplications. Here A1 is a single matrix, so multiplying 0 multiplications. And A2 and A3 having orders 3, 4, 2, so having 24 multiplications. Next, here these two having order 2, 4 and A3 having order 4, 2. So the total multiplications is 2 into 4 into 2 is 16. And here is also here A2, A3 having order 3, 2 and A1 having order 2, 3. So the total multiplications is 12. Now the total we find total matrix multiplication of three matrices. Here this 24 is A1 and A2 multiplications. This is A3 multiplication. This is total multiplication. So we have 40 multiplications of these three matrices. In this method we have only 36 multiplications. So this is having the minimum multiplication. So we find this method to find the easily results. So now formula for the matrix chain multiplication is consider three matrices, orders 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2 and assigning that values as D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay. Now this is right. I write this as cost of 1, 2. A1 as cost of 1 and A2 as cost of 2. So this is cost of 1, 2. A3 having cost of 3, 3 and this total having orders or dimensions of orders anamata D0, D2 and D3. D0, D2 and D3. So in this also we write this. So here here 1, 1, here 3, 3. So these are put as I, J. Here I value 1, J value 3. Here these values are different. These values are different. 2, 3. Here is 1, 2. So we put it as a K. This is K 2. This is K plus 1 3. So here K equal to 1, K plus 1 is 2. In this there are different K values. Here D0, this is put right as Di minus 1, D3 is Dj. Here also D0 is Di minus 1 and D3 is Dj. Here K value 1, so this is Dk, and here K value is 2, this is Dk. So now formula for the matrix chain multiplication is cost of Ij is we have to find a minimum multiplications of K values. So I less than or equal to K less than J, cost of I comma K plus cost of K plus 1 comma J, Di minus 1 into Dk into Dj. Now we consider 4 matrices A1, A2, A3, A4 with orders 3 to 2, 4, 4 to 2, 5. Assigning the values as G0, D1, D2, D3, D4. So this product of 4 matrices having 5 different orders. So what is this? So we see in this. Here this having the bracket A3 and A4 having, so first multiply the 2 matrices and the result with A2 matrix, and these 3 result having with A1. And for coming to the next one, here A2 and A3 having the bracket, so first we multiply these 2 matrix and the result matrix with A4 and the total result with this matrix with A1. Similarly both these also. From this we write these values here. D0 is 3, D1 is 2, D2 is 4, D3 is 2 and D4 is 5. Now we draw a table. Find the cost of matrix. 4 matrices kabatti cost of 4 matrices we have to find. So find cost of 1 comma 4, cost of 1 to 4 we have to find. These are already I have written values, so these are empty box, empty, and we have to find these values. So first we have to find cost of 1 comma 4 from the formula. Minimum value of I is 1, here I is 1, j is 4, I less than or equal to k less than 4. Here k values are k 1, 2, 3. So applying the formula here, cost of I comma k, so I value 1, k value also 1. So here k plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, here j value 4. So I minus 1, I value 1, so this is D0. Here k value 1 kabatti D1, j value D4. Okay, here we don't know the values of cost of 2 comma 4, cost of 3 comma 4, cost of 1 comma 3, 1 comma 2. So first we find that values. So first we find nearest ways, cost of 1 comma 2. This is the another table for writing the k values, which value minimum at k value we have to write. So first we have to find cost of 1 comma 2 values. Here minimum of I less than k less than j, I value is 1, j value is 2. So cost of I comma k is 1 comma 1, cost of k plus 1 comma j is 2 comma 2, I minus 1 is 0, j value 2, k value 1. So cost of 1 comma 1 value is 0, cost of 2 comma 2 value also 0, d0 values is 3, d1 value 2 and d2 value 4. So 3 into 2 into 4, 24. Cost of 1 comma 2 having only one answer multiplications, so this is 24. So we have to write cost of 1 comma 2 having is 24. So we have to write here 24. Here we have to write 24. Next we have to find the cost of 2 comma 3. Cost of 2 comma 3 at k equal to 2. So from this condition only k values are only 2. So the answer multiplications is 16 multiplications at k equal to 2. So at cost of 2 comma here 3, cost of 2 comma 3 is 2 at k equal to 2. So we have to write here k2 and here 16. Cost of 2 comma 3 is 16. Now find cost of 3 comma 4. 3 to 4. 3 to 4 at only k value 3. So we have to write here k is equal to 3. The total multiplications is d2 is 4, d3 is 2 and d4 is 5. Cost of 3 comma 3 is 0, cost of 4 comma 4 is also 0. So 4 into 2 into 5, 5 is 20, 10, 10 4 is 40. Here 40 multiplications having. Here at k equal to 3 we have 40 multiplications. And next cost of 1 comma 3. Cost of 1 comma 3, there are 2 k values, k equal to 1 and 2. applying formula at k equal to 1, cost of 1 comma 1 value 0, cost of 2 comma 3 already find it 16. Already you had to find, we find in the previous page. Cost of 2 comma 3 is 16, d0 is 3, d1 is 2, d3 is also 2. So the total having 28 multiplications, and k equal to 2. Okay, cost of 1 comma 2 is 24, 3 comma 3 is 0, k comma is 3 0, d0 value 3, d2 is 4, and d3 is 2. 24, 3 4 is 12, 12 is 24. This is having 48 multiplications. In this 2, here having 28 multiplications. So this is the minimum having multiplication. So we have to write at k value 1, cost of 1 comma 3, cost of 1 comma 3 at k equal to 1, write 28 is the minimum multiplications having. Now we find cost of 2 comma 4, cost of 2 comma 4, cost of 2 comma 4, I value 2, j value 4, at k equal to, here we have 2 values, k is equal to 2, and here also 3 also having 3 also. Cost of 2 comma 2, cost of 3 comma 4, d1 into d2 into d4. Cost of 2 comma 2 value is 0, cost of 3 comma 4 value 40, d1 is 2, d2 is 4, d4 is 5. Here 80, and another k equal to 3, another k value is 3. These are having 36 multiplications. These are the minimum multiplications. At k value 3, we have to write in the k table as 3, and cost of the value is 36. In this, cost of 2 comma 4 value is 36. And now we have to find cost of 1 comma 4. Cost of 1 comma 4 having 3 k values, 1 and 2 and 3. So applying the formula, k equal to 1 at 66, cost at k is equal to 2, 124 multiplication, having 124 multiplications. At k is equal to 3, 58. These are having the minimum multiplications at k value 3. So we have to write at k table 1 comma 4 is 3, and here we have to write 58 as a minimum having multiplications. Minimum having multiplications. So at k values, we have to, if we see this table of k values, at 1 to 4, at 1 to 4, k value is 3. So in these 4 matrices, at the third position we should point, first we multiply this matrix and the result matrix with A4, and for 3 matrices in the k table, 3 matrices at k value is 1. So we put a point at first matrix. So first we multiply these 2 matrix and the result matrix with A4 and the result matrix with A1. So here we show as a diagram. First we multiply these 2 and the result with this matrix and the result total with this matrix. Thank you for watching this video.